hair like a Sinkin.
You are?
Spiky in the back.
You're gonna put it like this, grow it out like that? Like put it down?
Yeah.
Is your hair naturally straight?
Yeah. No, it's like poofy, yeah.
So you'll have to straighten it, huh? That's what people do. I want to straighten Kevin's hair like so bad.
But I'm not emo.
Well, no,
So
there can be like preppy guys. Preppy guys straighten their hair and they grow it out, and then like they wear Hollister and everything.
Yeah.
I want to.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Do you... Wow. Can you?
Oh, I can see over your nose.
Can you get that camera away from my face?
No.
Paparazzi.
I know. Oh my gosh, it's Jordan from
Sorry.
MySpace.
Why is this picture? What? Get out of here.
I'm gonna hack your MySpace.
Go away.
My fans are dirty, I don't know.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
I just like jack these up, okay?
No, my fans are dirtier than that.
I can't see the image above.